Mrs. Super Sorrel, and look what I've got! So these are the mystery minifigures for the Lord of the Rings set. You've seen us open things very similar to these. I think Super Sorrel did one a couple of days ago. So I've not seen the Lord of the Rings mystery boxes anywhere else other than Smith's. These were $5.99, which I don't think is overly bad. I have seen some that you get from other places and they're charging anywhere from £7 upwards, which is just ridiculous. So on the back of these are all the figures that you can get. I'm hoping I can get Smeagol and Frodo, but I also want this guy. I want the ring wraiths. They are awesome. So I tried to pick up some of the heavier boxes. You can tell that the weights are different in each box, so I tried to get the heaviest one to try and see if I can get sort of like the ring wraiths. So, as usual in these boxes, they come in a black bag. And I need my trusty scissors because I can never open these things without them. I hope they do a good job of these. I'm really excited to try and get these. I've been... Sorry, I just happened to look inside and I got Frodo! Yay! So, I really like him. He's got his nice little sword and it's even got some nice detail on there for Sting. He's got sort of like the scroll work. And he's got his curly hair, whoops, and his cape, and he's even sort of like got the leaf brooch thing that the elves give him. So you can't really see that he's got the chainmail underneath, but he's got the one ring around his neck. I think they've done a really nice paint job on that. They've even gone to the detailing of putting hair on his feet, which I think is really cool. So let's see, has he got all his fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So he ain't got his fingers missing at this point. I was wondering whether they'd put sort of like where, I know it's like towards the end of the film, but I wondered whether that was where Smeagol had cut off his finger or bit it off, but he hasn't. But he's really cute. I hope these are to scale. That'll be quite nice when you've got them as a set. You can tell that these are the hobbits, and you've got sort of like the bigger characters and like the elves that are really big. But that'll be interesting to see, so I will take some pictures just to show you the sort of like the height. But I don't think he is overly bad. He is very cute. So let's see who else we've got. I'm trying to be quick. See. So if we don't get any duplicates, we will be putting them on our eBay. And lo and behold, it's another Frodo. So I will be putting him back in here and back in the box. So I will be listing him up on eBay, and I'll get Super Sorrel to link it in for me, as usual. So if you want to grab yourself a Bilbo, by all means head over to our eBay site and you can pick him up. We don't overly charge any extra than what we've paid. We try not to sort of like scalp people really. So yeah, basically whatever we've paid plus postage is fair enough, is what you'd get and what you pay, so you can grab yourself a Frodo. And looking on the back, it doesn't look like it's actually shouldn't be that hard to get. It's 1 in 24 chances, so to say that we've got 2 already doesn't bode well. So let's see who else we've got. I hope it's not another Frodo. I think it's another Frodo. Just having a quick feel, sort of like off the bag, it feels like it's Frodo. Oh, maybe not. Ah! So it's Legolas. So I'm not too disappointed in that. It wasn't one of the ones that I really wanted to get, but having got him, yeah, I'm quite pleased I am. So he's got his his ears there, and he's got a little brown mark on that side. I'm not sure if that's just a paint job. I don't remember him having sort of like a birthmark or anything, sort of like in the film. So let me know what you think and whether he has, and I've just never noticed. I mean, it doesn't rub off, so I'm guessing it is just part of the paintwork, but whether or not it's meant to be there, I'm not quite sure. So I might have to have a look back in the films and just see. I really like the expression that he's got in his face. He's even got detailing there in his hair, so he's got it sort of like half braided, which is nice. And then he's got his cape, again with the elven sort of brooch there underneath his chin. And then he's got his bow and arrow and his boots. I think they've done a pretty good job of that. I quite like that. So he is a little bit taller than Frodo, but not massively. But like I said, I will line them all up just so you can see sort of like the different ratios of them. But I still think he is pretty neat. So I've got one more box left to open. So let's get going. Now this one feels fairly light, so this could be anybody. We are also open to trades, so if you've got some of these at home and you've got duplicates and you want to swap it for the Frodo, get in touch with us on one of our social medias and we can sort that out and do a direct swap. See who else we got. And we've got Samwise. Samwise Gamgee. So that's quite nice to go with a Frodo, to be fair. Again, he's got sort of like the elven brooch underneath, and he's got his sword. If I turn it round, he's got all his pots on the back. That's quite cool. I'm glad that they've gone to the detailing of that. And that's quite neat, to be honest. Especially when he's talking to Smeagol and they're on about potatoes and Smeagol doesn't know what a potato is. I think that's quite funny. They even made like a YouTube song out of it, which I think is quite funny. He's got some nice detail in there to his hair. You can see sort of like the individual strands. He's got sort of like a really determined face and expression. And again, he's got sort of the hair painted on his feet there for his fur, well, yeah, for his hairy toes. And he's got his shirt there underneath, which you can just about see. So I think he is pretty neat. So I'm glad I got him to go with the Frodo. Would I buy some more of these? Yeah, probably. Especially when I've not seen them anywhere else, I probably will end up picking up some more. But I think I'll have to wait for payday. What really upset me today when I went to Smith's to pick these up is they had the full box and it was so tempting. But as you can see, there are duplicates within the box, so I wasn't guaranteed to get them all, and in a way I'm kind of glad I didn't go all out and get them all. Not just for the fact that it would cost an absolute fortune, but the risk of getting sort of like duplicates could be quite high.
Okay guys, so what are my thoughts on these? You've heard Mrs. Supersoul's verdict, now it's time for mine. I really like this set. I'm going to be brutally honest, I really like it and I can't wait for us to grab more of these. Legolas looks pretty cool. I don't think it captures Orlando Bloom's likeness though. That's the one thing about these figures. I don't think they capture the likeness of the characters at all, really, in my opinion. What are your thoughts on that? It's like Legolas looks more like the elf from the Hobbit movies, if you get my drift. The guy on the big stag at the end, he looks like him. And these two, they don't look like Frodo and Sam, in my honest opinion. But they still look pretty cool. And because of that, I really can't wait to get more of these. It's just a shame that the blind boxes cost so much. But I think it might be cheaper if we go online and buy like a whole set. Would you guys like to watch us unbox a whole set of these? Let us know in the comments down below. It would really help us out and make a decision on this. Also, I believe The Hobbit he's got some mystery minis, or he's going to be getting some mystery minis. Would you like to see us unbox those as well? Let us know. Mrs. Superstar is a massive, massive fan of Lord of the Rings and The Hobbit and the Harry Potter. So if you want to see her review more pop vinyls, more mystery minis, and more figures based on those collections, so Harry Potter, Lord of the Rings, The Hobbit, let us know in the comments down below your thoughts on Mrs. Superstar doing more reviews, and I hope you enjoyed this one. Let's go back to Mrs. Superstar for the finale.
I'm quite happy with these, all in all. I will see if I can buy individual characters, maybe. It might work out cheaper and better off. But yeah, I think these are pretty neat. What do you think to these? Let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching, everybody. Bye!